everyone, today I'm going to talk about a cinematography element called lighting. Lighting can be used in many different ways. It can be used to set the mood, produce heavy shadows, wash out a face when needed, and cast light romantic shadows. The first concept I'm going to talk about is natural lighting. The sun and moon both can be used for natural lighting. When the weather doesn't cooperate, cinematographers use reflector boards. While these choices of natural lighting are free, reflector boards can range from $100 to several $100s. The second concept of lighting I'll talk about is high and low key lighting. Key lighting is usually the first aspect that gets set up at the beginning of a shot. High key produces very deep shadows like our creepy clown, gutter clown, that you see in horror, crime, and suspense movies. Low key produces soft romantic shadows, as you can see in our lighter picture, and can also whitewash a face. You see this in romance, musicals, and comedy movies. The prices at the bottom have absolutely nothing to do with these pictures. The third concept of lighting I'll talk about is side lighting. As seen in the first picture, the light is shining right above his head, casting dark shadows around his jawline and down his neck. The second picture shows the light shining up from under his chin, casting dark shadows on his neck, around the back of his ears, and onto his temples, while whitewashing out his face. The third picture shows the iconic Scarlett and her resting bitch face. This lighting is perfectly sculpting her jawline, casting a shadow to the right side of her neck and around the right side of her cheekbone. This clearly portrays the mood of this scene. The prices at the bottom also have absolutely nothing to do with the pictures. However, if you need Jenny, her number is 867-5309. Thank y'all very much.